In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get backlinks using Semrush. This tool is incredibly powerful for improving your site's SEO, and getting backlinks is a crucial part of that process. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Semrush website. If you're not already familiar with it, Semrush is a comprehensive SEO tool that provides insights into your website's performance, and it's a fantastic resource for understanding and improving your backlink profile. Once you're on the site, the next step is to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Having an account will give you access to the dashboard where all the magic happens. Now that you're logged in, you're looking at your dashboard. The first thing you want to do is find the SEO section. This is typically located in the main menu, and clicking on it will open up a variety of tools and options that Semrush offers. Within the SEO section, you'll see the link building section. Click on backlinks to start working with your backlink data. When you're in the backlinks area, you'll need to type in the domain or URL that you want to analyze. This could be your own website or a competitor's site if you're looking to understand their backlink strategies. Once you've entered the domain, click Analyze. Semrush will gather and display a wealth of data about the backlinks pointing to the domain you've entered. After the analysis, you'll want to click on Backlinks again within the results to dive deeper into the data. This will give you a detailed view of all the backlinks associated with the domain. It's a good idea to spend some time here, examining where the links are coming from, their quality, and how they might be impacting the site's SEO performance. Now, if you need to share this information or keep a record, you can easily do so by exporting the data. Just look for the Export to PDF option. Before you export, make sure you check the box for the privacy policy to ensure you're compliant with any data protection regulations. Once that's done, go ahead and click on Export to PDF to download your backlink report. And there you have it. You've successfully used Semrush to gather and export backlink data. This information is vital for creating a strategy to improve your site's authority and SEO effectiveness. Remember, quality backlinks can significantly boost your site's ranking, so use this data to your advantage. Thanks for watching, and happy backlinking!